Good morning everyone. So student, in previous video we have started types of plant on the basis of reproduction. I have told you on the basis of reproduction there are presence of three types of plant: annual plant, biennial plant and perennial plant. So yesterday we have finished about the annual plant. Now today we will start the second category of plant, that is biennial plant. So let's see. So today we have to start the second category, that is biennial plant. Biology is very easy. Catch the word. The word bi, it means two. The word annual, it means year. So what is the definition? A plant that perform a reproduction process after every 2 years. After 2 years. It means in these plant flower structure develop after 2 years. So bachcho, that is only the definition. The question is that what are the example of biennial plant? So some example, let's see. Carrot, radish, pineapple, etc. So that is the biennial. Now the third category, perennial plant. That is important for board of exam. Perennial. The word peri means so many. Annual means year. So what is the definition? The plant that perform reproduction after so many years. So many years. It means in this plant body the flower develops after so many years. So bachcho, let's see. Now today we have to start the second category of plant on the basis of reproduction. And what is the name? Biennial plant. Biology is very easy. Catch the word and make the definition. The word bi, it means two. The word annual, it means year. So what is the definition? A plant body that performs sexual reproduction after every 2 years. Such a plant is known as what? Biennial plant. वो प्लांट जो हर 2 साल के बाद रिप्रोडक्शन को परफॉर्म करता है, इट इज नोन एज बाइनियल प्लांट. अब दिमाग लगाओ. yesterday I have told you during sexual reproduction in plant body flower structure develop. So we can say that indirectly after every 2 years in these plant flower structure develop. इन plants में हर 2 साल के बाद flower structure develop होती है. So बच्चों, we have completed the definition of biennial plant. The question is that कि sir, what are the example of such a plant? नेचर में से कौन कौन से प्लांट हैं जो हर 2 साल के बाद रिप्रोडक्शन को परफॉर्म करते हैं? सो बच्चों, what are the example? Carrot, radish, pineapple, etc. So बच्चों, we have completed the second category. Now The third category of the plant that is very very important for board of examination, and what is the name? Perennial plant. What is the pronunciation? Perennial. Now what is the definition? The word peri, it means so many. The word annual, it means year. So catch the word. A type of plant that perform reproduction after so many years. Such a plant is known as what? Perennial plant. एक ऐसा प्लांट जो कई सालों के बाद रिप्रोडक्शन को परफॉर्म करता है, इट इज नोन एज व्हाट? पेरिनियल प्लांट. Indirectly we can say that in these plant body flower structure bloom, flower structure develop after so many gap of year. इन plants में जो flower है वो काफी साल के बाद लगते हैं. So बच्चों, that is only the definition. Now question is that कि sir what are the example of such a plant? अब नेचर में पेरिनियल प्लांट कौन कौन से हैं? So let's see. So बच्चों, the first example, what is the name of the plant? Bamboo plant. बांस के प्लांट को बोलते हैं. You know, in nature this bamboo plant reproduce once in a life. अपनी पूरी लाइफ में बैम्बू एक ही बार रिप्रोडक्शन करता है. And this plant perform reproduction after 50 to 100 years. It's a very very important, the shocking statement. This plant performs sexual reproduction after 50 to 100 years. It means in these plant flower and fruit appear after so many long time period. And बच्चों, after the production of flower, after the production of reproduction, this plant dies. एक बार रिप्रोडक्शन पूरा होने के बाद ये प्लांट मर जाता है. So बच्चों, this is the first example of perennial plant after 50 to 100 years. Now the second example, what is the common name of the plant? Nila kurenji. What is the pronunciation? Nila kurenji. And scientific name Strobilanthes kunthiana. So what is the scientific name of this plant? Strobilanthes kunthiana. Now question is that कि ये प्लांट कब रिप्रोडक्शन करता है? So नीला कुरेंजी परफॉर्म रिप्रोडक्शन आफ्टर एवरी 12 ईयर. हर 12 साल के बाद, इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट, आफ्टर एवरी 12 ईयर दिस प्लांट परफॉर्म सेक्सुअल रिप्रोडक्शन and this plant carry the beautiful blue color flower. नीले फूल लगते हैं इसके ऊपर आफ्टर एवरी 12 ईयर. एंड बच्चों, दिस नीला कुरेंजी मोस्टली ग्रो, मोस्टली कल्टीवेट इन हिली एरियाज. पहाड़ी इलाकों में ये ग्रो करता है. और कौन से हिली एरियाज? मोस्टली 3 स्टेट इन आवर कंट्री, इन इंडिया. विच 3 स्टेट? केरला, Karnataka and Tamil Nadu. And बच्चों, due to the development of the beautiful blue flower, this Nila Kurenji attract lots of tourists in India. इस फ्लावर को देखने के लिए, प्लांट को देखने के लिए कई कंट्रीज से फॉरेनर आते हैं हमारी इंडिया में. सो बच्चों, दिस पॉइंट इज इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर बोर्ड ऑफ एग्जामिनेशन. एग्जाम में क्वेश्चन आ जाए, विच पेरिनियल प्लांट अट्रैक्ट लॉट्स ऑफ टूरिस्ट. So what is your answer? Nila kurenji. Scientific name Strobilanthes kunthiana. So बच्चों, we have completed 2 example of perennial, bamboo and Nila kurenji. Bamboo reproduce 50 to 100 year. Nila kurenji after every 12 year. So बच्चों, we have completed one topic, that is types of plant on the basis of reproduction. So let's see. So student, after this topic, now we will start a new topic in our chapter, that is types of animal on the basis of reproduction process. Types of animal on the basis of reproduction. On the basis of reproduction. And bachcho, it is divided into 2 category. Number 1, seasonal breeder, and number 2 is continuous breeder. Continuous breeder. So bachcho, that is only the name. Now we will start one by one. Number 1, seasonal breeder. What is the definition? The word seasonal, it means season. The word breeder, it represents breeding. And breeding means reproduction, sexual reproduction. Now what is the definition? The animal that perform sexual reproduction at specific season, and why? Due to sex hormones. For example, what are the examples? That are reptiles, amphibian, birds, etc. So bachcho, let's see. Now we will start the new topic, and what is the name? Types of animal on the basis of reproduction process. So bachcho, animals are divided into two categories. Number 1, what is the name? Seasonal breeder, and second is continuous breeder. So these are only the name. The question is that what is the difference between these two categories? So let's see. So first of all, we will start the first category, that is seasonal breeder. Biology is very easy. Catch the word and make the definition. The word seasonal, it means season. The word breeder, it represents the breeding process. And what is the meaning of breeding? Sexual reproduction. Now what is the definition? Catch the word. The animal that performs sexual reproduction at specific season, maybe the winter season, maybe the rainy season, maybe the summer season. वो सारे एनिमल जो सेक्सुअल रिप्रोडक्शन कंप्लीट लाइफ में नहीं करते हैं, हर मौसम में नहीं करते हैं. These animal perform reproduction process at specific season. एक सीजन आने पर, मे बी गर्मियों में, विंटर्स में, रेनी सीजन में, एक पर्टिकुलर सीजन में ये एनिमल्स सेक्सुअल रिप्रोडक्शन को परफॉर्म करेंगे. सच्चे एनिमल्स आर नोन एज व्हाट? सीजनल ब्रीडर. दिस इज ओनली द डेफिनेशन. नाउ बायोलॉजी में क्वेश्चन से क्वेश्चन कि सर ये एनिमल हमेशा रिप्रोडक्शन क्यों नहीं करते हैं, लाइक ह्यूमन, लाइक मंकीज. व्हाई? बिकॉज बच्चों, इन द बॉडी ऑफ दीज एनिमल sex hormones, I think in smaller classes in 10th and 11th we have studied that in the body of animal some hormones are present that are responsible for the development of sexual organ, testis, ovary, and we have studied the hormone name. In male body testosterone, in female body estrogen and progesterone. So these are the sex hormone. So in the body of animal, sex hormone produced in a specific season. इन एनिमल्स की बॉडी में जो सेक्स हार्मोन है एक सीजन में ही बनते हैं. या तो गर्मियों में बनेंगे या सर्दियों में बनेंगे, और इन्हीं सेक्स हार्मोन की वजह से ये एनिमल्स रिप्रोडक्शन एक स्पेसिफिक सीजन में परफॉर्म करते हैं. सो बच्चों, व्हाट इज द रीजन? ड्यू टू द डेवलपमेंट ऑफ सेक्स हार्मोन. सो बच्चों, वी हैव कंप्लीटेड द डेफिनेशन ऑफ seasonal breeder. Now question is that what are the example of such a animal जो specific season में reproduction को perform करते हैं. So what are the example? Reptiles. What are the meaning of reptiles? That perform crawling movement, जो रेंग के चलते हैं. आपने पढ़ा वो छोटी क्लासेस में reptiles, snake, viper, lizard. These are the reptiles. Then amphibian, frog, then birds, and some mammals, for example, that is the dog, cat, horse. These mammals are also example of what? Seasonal breeder. So bachcho, we have completed the definition and the example of first category. Now what is the meaning of continuous breeder? So let's see. So बच्चों, now the second category of animal on the basis of reproduction, what is the name? Continuous breeder. Biology is very easy. Catch the word continuous. It means continue, जो लगातार करते रहते हैं. The animal that perform sexual reproduction at every season, that perform reproduction process continue in every month, every season, जो हर टाइम पे रिप्रोडक्शन को करने में कैपेबल होते हैं, सच एनिमल्स आर नोन एज व्हाट? कंटिन्यूअस ब्रीडर. सो बच्चों, दैट इज ओनली द डेफिनेशन. नाउ क्वेश्चन इन योर माइंड कि सर हाउ कैन इट पॉसिबल? अब ये एनिमल हमेशा रिप्रोडक्शन क्यों कर सकते हैं? बिकॉज इन द बॉडी ऑफ दीज एनिमल द सेक्स हार्मोन टेस्टोस्टेरोन, एस्ट्रोजन, प्रोजेस्टेरोन, these sex hormone develops at every time. इनकी बॉडी में सेक्स हार्मोन बनता ही रहता है. That's why these animals are capable for the continued breeding process. So बच्चों, we have completed the definition and reason. Now question is that what is the example of these continuous breeder in nature? So बच्चों, what are the example? Human, monkey, pig, etc. So बच्चों, we have completed one more topic, types of animal on the basis of reproduction, seasonal breeder and continuous breeder. Start to process. The first is menstrual cycle. Menstrual cycle. Now what is the meaning of that? In females of primate animal, the examples are human, monkey, ape, etc. In the body of females, in reproductive system, you have studied in class 10th that in reproductive system of female, 4 important part are present. That is ovary, the second is uterus, the third is oviduct and fourth is vagina. ये डीपली स्टडी करेंगे हम चैप्टर 3 में. यहाँ खाली डेफिनेशन है. In this reproductive system, some cyclic changes, कुछ changes होते हैं, cyclic changes every month, और इन्हीं changes को बोला जाता है menstrual cycle. Catch the word. The word menstrual, it means month. Ovary, Ovary are the organ in which ovum, female gamete is produced. Female gamete is produced. Uterus, it is the organ in which the baby is developed for 9 months in human. So bachcho, let's see. Now in this chapter we will start a new topic, a process. What is the name? Menstrual cycle. So what is the meaning of that? Actually this cycle is present in the female body and the female of primate animal. Primate animal कौन से होते हैं? Example human, monkey and ape. So these are the example of primate animal. In the females of these animal, every month there are some cyclic changes. ये जो females है इनकी body में हर month कुछ ना कुछ changes होते हैं. And these cyclic changes appear. ये changes कहाँ होते हैं? Appear in reproductive system. We have studied in class 10th. In the body of female, in reproductive system, 4 important parts are present. Which 4 parts? Ovary, uterus, oviduct and vagina. So these 4 parts are present in the female of these animals. और इन्हीं पार्ट में हर मंथ कुछ ना कुछ चेंजेस होते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, वैसे इस प्रोसेस को हम डीपली स्टडी करेंगे चैप्टर 3 में. चैप्टर 1 में खाली नाम दे रखा है, तो यहाँ थोड़ा बहुत स्टडी करेंगे. चैप्टर 3 में इस पूरी प्रोसेस को हम डीपली एलोबरेट करेंगे. सो बच्चों, इनकी फीमेल्स में हर मंथ रिप्रोडक्टिव सिस्टम में कुछ ना कुछ चेंजेस होते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, ओवेरी. इनसाइड द ओवेरी ऑफ फीमेल एवरी मंथ देयर इज प्रोडक्शन ऑफ. किसका प्रोडक्शन होता है? देयर इज प्रोडक्शन ऑफ ओवम. व्हाट इज ओवम? ओवम इज द एग्जांपल ऑफ व्हाट? फीमेल गैमेट. तो फीमेल की बॉडी में हर मंथ ओवरी के अंदर क्या बनता है? ओवम, एग सेल. द सेकंड, यूटेरस. Uterus is very very important. Inside the uterus, in the female of these animal, there is development of baby, development of fetus for 9 months during pregnancy period. So we can say that during pregnancy the baby is developed inside a sac like structure, and what is the name? Uterus. अच्छे से पढ़ेंगे चैप्टर 3 में. So बच्चों, these cyclic changes, ओवम का बनना, यूटेरस का स्ट्रॉन्ग होना एवरी मंथ, ये जो साइक्लिक चेंजेस है जो हर मंथ होते हैं, these changes are known as what? Menstrual cycle. So बच्चों, we have completed about this process. Only definition here in chapter 1. Deeply study करेंगे chapter 3 में. Okay? So बच्चों, the second process, the first was menstrual cycle present in human, monkey and ape. The second is estrus cycle. This cycle is present also in female body, but female of non-primate. And what are the example of non-primate? Horse, cat, dog, loin, cow, buffalo. In the female of these animal, some changes appear. Changes same होते हैं, appear in reproductive system. वहां भी रिप्रोडक्टिव सिस्टम हो रहे थे, यहां भी. फिर डिफरेंस क्या है? द डिफरेंस इज दैट इन ह्यूमन, मंकी एंड एप, इन फीमेल बॉडी चेंजेस अपीयर एवरी मंथ. यहां हर मंथ चेंजेस होते हैं, बट इन दिस साइकिल साइक्लिक चेंजेस अपीयर आफ्टर ए गैप, आफ्टर ए इंटरवल. हर मंथ चेंजेस नहीं होंगे, एक टाइम पीरियड के बाद. दैट्स व्हाई इसका नाम चेंज हो गया है. This cycle is known as what? Estrus cycle. Every month menstrual cycle, एक interval के बाद, that is estrus cycle. So बच्चों, we have completed 2 important process in this chapter, menstrual and estrus cycle. So now बच्चों, we have to start a new topic, that is events of सेक्सुअल रिप्रोडक्शन, इवेंट्स मीन प्रोसेस, घटनाएं. So बच्चों, in sexual reproduction process there are presence of three event. That is, number one, pre-fertilization process. The second is fertilization process, and the third is post fertilization process. So these are the three incidents that occur in sexual reproduction. We will study one by one. The first is pre-fertilization. Pre का meaning क्या होता है? The word pre mean before. So all the incident, all the process that occur before fertilization, that occur before fertilization. And बच्चों, it is divided into two steps. That is, number one, gametogenesis. Number one, gametogenesis. The second is gamete transfer. Gamete transfer. So बच्चों, let's see. Now we have to start a new topic, that is events of sexual reproduction. What is the meaning of event? The word event mean incident, the process. How many incident available during sexual reproduction in the body of organism? So बच्चों, when sexual reproduction perform, there are presence of main three incident, main three process. And which three process? Number one, pre-fertilization. Second is fertilization, and third is post-fertilization. It mean जब जब sexual reproduction complete होगा तो body में कितनी process होगी? Three. Pre-fertilization, fertilization, and post-fertilization. So student, that is only the names. Now we will study one by one. The first is pre-fertilization process. Bio is very easy. Catch the word. The word pre mean before. And what is the meaning of fertilization? पहले पढ़ा चुका हूं. Fertilization is a process in which both the gamete are fused. Which both gamete, male gamete, sperm, female gamete, ovum. आपने 10th क्लास में पढ़ा होगा. In the body of male, sperm is produced. आगे पढ़ाऊंगा मैं. In the body of female, ovum is produced. Then both the gametes are fused. This process is known as fertilization, fusion होना. So बच्चों, pre-fertilization, all the incident, all the process that occur before fertilization, organisms की body में, animals की body में, वो सारी process जो fertilization से पहले होती है, these process are known as what? Pre-fertilization process. So बच्चों, that is only the definition. Now in this pre-fertilization process there are presence of how many steps? Two steps. Number one, gametogenesis, and second is gamete transfer. So बच्चों, two steps are present in pre-fertilization: gametogenesis and gamete transfer. So बच्चों, that is only about the process. So that is enough for today. In next video, in next lecture, we will elaborate about these two steps: gametogenesis, gametes का बनना, and gamete transfer. We will study tomorrow. So till then, stay at your home, be safe, be happy, and don't forget to wear mask at public places. Thank you, student.